Does eating at night really make you fat? Most people get this completely wrong. Scientific research has clearly shown the real reasons behind this. It's actually not about the timing. It's about how much and what you eat. But you need to know what actually happens in your body at night. By the end of the day, insulin sensitivity drops. This means the carbs you eat at night stay in your blood longer. As a result, glucose is more likely to be stored as fat. But that's not the only reason. Other factors matter too. At night, people tend to eat more and make worse food choices. Chips, sweets, soda, that light late-night snack is actually packed with calories. A brain tired from the day struggles to control itself at night. This pattern is scientifically known as night eating syndrome. Another key factor is sleep quality. Eating late and eating heavy meals lowers your sleep quality. Poor sleep raises ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and it lowers leptin, the fullness hormone. As a result, you feel hungrier the next morning. This completely shifts your daily calorie balance. Eating right before bed causes another problem. Stomach acid can rise, increasing the risk of reflux. This then negatively affects your sleep again, creating a vicious cycle. But here's the key truth. It's not the timing, it's total calories that matter most. You can still gain weight overeating during the day, even without eating at night. And on the flip side, eating a healthy amount at night causes no problem at all. So the real formula is how much you eat and what you eat. It's not late night eating itself, but it's quality that matters. Vegetables, protein, and light meals are great choices for the evening. Avoid sweets, fatty foods, and high-calorie meals at night. In conclusion, it's not the clock. It's your choices that make you gain or stay fit. Now you know. This isn't a myth. It's backed by science. Make healthy choices.